Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. Kmart Centre Melbourne is located in the heart of Melbourne, a stone's throw from Swanston Street and connecting the bustling Chinatown hub of Little Bourke Street with the major retail artery of Bourke Street. Kmart Centre is open 7 days and has more than 15 stores with all of your daily conveniences covered. Pharmaceutical, Tatslato, and news agency, eat-in and take-away food, coffee, liquor, fashion, key cutting, and of course the Kmart store. There's a large seating area to take some time out from shopping, your lunch break, or just relax and read the paper, do some study, or check some emails. Kmart Centre Melbourne has more than 15 stores with all of your daily conveniences covered. The tenant within the centre includes Kmart, Creelman's Pharmacy, Tatslato, Milligram, and various bustling food and beverage operators. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia vlogs. The property is perfectly positioned in the heart of the CBD, only meters from Bourke ST Mall and next door to Telstra's global flagship Discovery Store. It's a hyper-convenience center with dual access to Bourke Street and Melbourne's famous Chinatown. Kmart Centre Melbourne is a one-stop shop providing a number of amenities that suit lifestyle needs. Current retailers include Target Australia, Bourke ST Lotto, and News Agency, City Chic, Easy Weight Tea, Feeling Fruity Juice Co., Gloria Jeans, Grand BBQ, Eye Contact Optometrist, and Max Therapy. Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching.